One morning, Rob was checking his email when he saw a message from his antivirus software that read, "Your antivirus subscription has ended. To resume service and keep your device protected, please call us immediately." Worried about keeping his computer safe, he quickly dialed the number listed in the email. A professional voice answered, assuring him they could renew the software right away. All he needed to do was click a link in an email to install it. Rob followed their instructions, but immediately noticed his computer acting strangely. The cursor moved on its own, windows opened and closed, and it felt like someone else was controlling his device. He'd just fallen for a Toad attack. Despite what it sounds like, it has nothing to do with warty amphibians. Toad stands for Telephone-Oriented Attack Deliveries and is an increasingly common type of scam that combines phone calls and emails to trick users into disclosing sensitive information such as login credentials or installing malware. According to recent research, about 10 million of these types of attacks happen every month, and 67% of businesses were affected by Toad attacks in 2023. Toad attacks demonstrate how cybercriminals constantly adapt as users' awareness of traditional scam tactics grows. Since people are wary of opening email links, scammers exploit this by shifting to a phone-based approach. Posing as a familiar or authoritative figure gives them credibility, making users more likely to trust them, especially since they initiated the call themselves. Once cybercriminals have their target on the phone, they may deceive users into unknowingly installing malware, like Rob did in this example, divulging sensitive data, or making fraudulent financial transactions. To avoid falling for these scams, remember these tips. Always look up a company's official phone number and contact them that way, rather than using a number provided in a text or email. If you find yourself on a phone call and get the feeling something's not quite right, hang up. Lastly, never install software from an outside source. If you get a message that seems to be from a legitimate company, contact your IT team for support before proceeding. With proper awareness and caution, you can stop toads from luring you into their murky depths.